Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to this beautiful ceremony that has been conducted by Nicon Group of Colleges, known as the Nicon Talent Hunt. I'm here to tell you about a life-changing program that is known as HND. HND is a 2-year full degree which you can get it in a really short time period, in which you can get success, excel, and a hell lot of things with which you can improve yourself and improve your personality. HND is an international diploma affiliated with Pearson, UK. In Pakistan, it is affiliated with HEC, and it is equivalent to 14-year education. As you can see that, I'm wearing formals. Our honorable chief guests and then well-known personalities, and most of you are wearing formals. Can I ask you the question, why are you wearing it? Maybe I'm gonna get the answer that it's a trend. Is it the use of the atmosphere? Or you can say that we need it just because of fashion. So in that case, Nicon Group of Colleges is offering HND in fashion and textile. So let me tell you what is fashion and what you're gonna get in this. You're gonna know how the fabric is gonna made, how its designing is gonna happen, and how you're gonna dress your fabric in a piece of a creation that you can wear on. Nicon is the first institute of Pakistan having affiliation with HEC. They are highly qualified faculty and members. I would request you all, if you want to do something special in your life, if you want to do something great, if you want to do something creative, do whatever you want to do, but just do what you want to do. Just look yourself and think what you want to do. I would like to call Amar to tell you about HND construction, the one who want to be an architect or to want to build up some buildings, houses, interiors, whatever. He's going to tell you about HND construction. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to you.